Look at that. Automatic.
Hey Matt, what can you tell us about this bike?
Hey Kent. All right, today we've got a pretty unique Moto Guzzi here in the shop. This is a Moto Guzzi Convert. I believe this one is probably 1978. Its main claim to fame is it's an automatic. So it's got a 2-speed automatic transmission in it. Basically a low and a high gear, but you can ride it in either. You can start in high gear, you can start in low gear. It just kind of goes. So it's got a automotive style torque converter clutch in there. So you come to a stop, just keep your hand off the clutch lever. Then you're ready to go, give it some gas and away you go. A lot of bikes nowadays, Honda has like the dual clutch transmission and there's some automatic stuff out there, but they still shift gears, where this is just basically 1 speed and off you go. It was about 1,000 cc, 900 and something cc engine. There was the regular V-twin, the round head motor back from the 70s that they had, carbureted bike, funky big old handlebars. This was the era when everything was kind of going square, so it's got this big old square rectangular dash on there. This one's obviously been painted red. They painted the frame, everything. When it came in, the brake calipers were painted red, but they were getting worn out, so replaced those. But she's a daily rider for a guy here in town. Has the king and queen seat. But yeah, it's just weird to get on a bike and not have to ever use the clutch. You can put it in high gear and never have to do anything.
Even at a light, you just stop.
Yeah, you just stop and it just stays there. As long as the idle speed isn't too high. If idle speed's too high, it'll want to, torque converter. So once it hits a certain RPM, everything starts going and
That'd be strange to ride.
It is, yeah. And the biggest thing is it's got hydraulic hoses everywhere for the transmission. So you got to keep up on those, make sure they're not leaking or anything. But definitely a unique little piece of time and history for Moto Guzzi. They called it the Convert. I don't know if they were trying to convert everybody into automatics or something, but it obviously didn't work, so. Automatic.